All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, where today we're talking about the Blue Yeti USB mic. All right, so this entire video will be recorded audio-wise on the Blue Yeti. Everything you hear in this video will be the Blue Yeti. So you're getting a nice little audio test of how it performs. Now, the audio floor on this microphone is really good. If you listen to it, there's not much background noise coming from it. So it's a really good choice for a USB microphone. All the audio in this video will be recorded using the Blue Yeti, recorded through Adobe Audition. I will have scratch audio on my A6600, but everything you hear will be recorded via the Blue Yeti. Noise floor on this microphone is really good. There's not a lot of background noise and really good USB microphone. In order to get anything better as far as audio, you're going to have to step up to a really expensive microphone with a DAC, etc., etc. So really good quality for streaming, Zoom calls, voiceovers, excellent mic. Now let's talk about, well, its biggest competition. And of course, I own one. That'd be the Elgato Wave 1 and Wave 3. Audio quality between the two of them are going to be, well, more or less identical. I mean, they're going to be both really good microphones. The reason I decided to switch to a Yeti was, one, the Elgato software, while extremely powerful, is also extremely intrusive. I'm using it for very basic needs, occasionally doing recordings like this, voiceovers, stuff like that, real simple. I've got two computers, so when I unplug it from one computer and plug it into another computer to, like, for instance, stream recording on that one or recording on this one, it takes over the system. Anytime I plug it in, it takes over the entire system. I've got to figure out how to get audio back to my headphones. It's powerful, but yeah, it just was a pain in the butt. Every time I plugged it in, it was a several minute ordeal trying to get audio back out when I'm going to edit. You know, record a track, go to edit, and you've got no audio out. And then you're going into various programs trying to switch it because it takes over everything. One of the things that it would do, and I uninstalled it on this PC, but you go to change your audio and it would give you multiple applications of Wave. And if you did not click on something like Realtek R audio is my headphones out, if you try to do something without clicking off of it, it would go default back to Wave whatever. And it was always an ordeal to get audio back out of my headphones to edit, etc. The Blue Yeti software is not as powerful. It just is not that level of features. It just doesn't have the ability to have multiple tracks, do things with Stream, Discord, etc., etc. It just doesn't have those features. If you're looking for that, the Wave is a much better option. But I don't need any of that. For what I do, I don't need any of that. So one of the things I'm going to do is this one is going to go permanently on that PC and everything will stay set because I won't unplug it anymore. But that was a big pain in the butt for me. Having only one mic, two PCs, switching back and forth, it always got very annoying because I would always have to reset everything, go back in, get my audio out. So between the two of them, audio is virtually identical. There's nothing really outstanding about either one of them or detrimental. They're both great USB mics, both about the same price point. It really just comes down to what features you really want in a USB microphone. Do you want to have the ability to control audio on Discord? Do you want to have, various sounds that you can mute in the app? I don't do any of that stuff. When I record to something like this, I'm going through OBS. I can mute it on OBS. Hope you like this review of the Blue Yeti USB microphone. As always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.